Good morning. Lincoln Charter School 4th grade is Mr. Way. We are back on Tuesday morning with Mr. Way's Math Facts. We're doing 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication again. We're just going to pick up where we left off yesterday. Yesterday I gave you 4 problems that I wanted you to try to work out for yourself. We're going to start with those problems today, and then I'll give you 4 more for tomorrow. And if you're a dinosaur head person, you're going to need 2 colored pencils, pens, markers, whatever, to make sure you don't distract yourself. But we're going to jump straight into our first problem, which was 69 times 71. Here we go. We're right here with 69 times 71. And again, you're going to start out, you're going to have to draw your dinosaur head. I'm going to start out with the light color. I'm going to use orange. And you're going to draw your dinosaur head around the number in the ones place. If we're talking place value, the ones place. So I'm drawing the dinosaur head around the number 1. And we start out with 1 times 9, which equals 9. We're going to put our 9 down here. Then we'll go 1 times 6, which is really, this first one's going to be really easy. And we'll just drop our 6 down. So I'm going to do the first 2 steps since we're multiplying by 1. And everybody knows anything multiplied by 1 equals itself. So I'm going to put my 9 in the ones place. I'm going to put my 6 in the tens place. And we're going to jump straight into drawing our dinosaur head and going into the 7. I'm using purple for my second dinosaur head. So we are here, so you can see the outline of my second dinosaur head. Like so. You can see the purple going around there. I might change this to green for the second problem, but this is purple. So we're going 7 times 9, which gives us 63. We'll put our 3 down and carry the 6. So your paper should look like this. We did 7 times 9, which gave us 63. We put our 3 down and we carried the 6. Then it'll be 7 times 6, which gives us 42. And then 42 plus 6 gives us 48. Then we'll put our 48 down. After that, you draw your line and you add. This first problem was actually pretty easy, I hope, for everybody. Let me get 9, 9, 8, 4. Then once you get your final answer, it should look like that. Once you start adding, it gives you a final answer of 4,899. Right here. That first one was super easy. So hopefully that's the answer you came out with. If you got anything different than that, leave it in the comments. Let me know. I am going to change my marker for problem number 2. I'm going green. I'm using green for my first dinosaur head. Remember, I said it was 32 times 42. So I'm drawing a green dinosaur head around the number in the ones place, which in this case is a 2. So for the first one, again, it's pretty easy because we're really good with our 2 times tables. It's 2 times 2, which equals 4. I'm going to put my 4 down here. Then we're going 2 times 3, which equals 6. So I'm putting my 4 in the ones, my 6 in the tens, and I'm just moving on to the second number. I'm drawing my orange dinosaur head so y'all be able to see it a little bit better. I have my orange dinosaur head, so now we're going 4 times 2, which equals 8. Putting my 8 down Draw my line because we're going to be adding pretty soon. Then we're going with our next number. It would be 4 times 3. Right here, it would be 4 times 3, which equals 12. You put your 12 down and you add. And then it would be 4 plus 0, which gives you 4. 6 plus 8, which will give you 14. You put your 4 down. You carry the 1. 1 plus 2, which gives you 3. Put your little comma, and then 1 plus nothing equals 1, which gives us a final answer of 1,344. So you'll see it like that. Your problem should look just like mine. Moving on. Moving on to the third problem. Our third problem is 92 times 33. I'm going to start out with my orange dinosaur head around the 3 in the ones place. Again, place value, ones place, tens place. Let's not forget that. We did that in class also. So we're going to start here. We're going to start here with 3 times 2 equals 6. And we're going to put our 6 down. Next step is to take 3 times 9. So it'll be 3 times 9 equals 27. 3 times 9 equals 27. If you said 27, you were correct. You put your 27 down. It gives you a final number of 276. Ooh, I made a mistake early in the morning. 276. I'm doing my second dinosaur head in green. We're going to be multiplying the same numbers, except this time in the tens place. Remember when I said when you start in the tens, your first answer goes in the tens. So it'll be here. So we're taking 3 times 2, which is going to equal 6. So I'm going to put my 6 right here. I'm going to draw my line early, put my addition sign, and just like last time, because we have the same digits, it's going to be 3 times 9, which is going to equal 27. I'm going to put my 27 down, then I'm going to add. And then it's 6 plus 0 equals 6. 7 plus 6 equals 13. I put my 3 down. I'm going to carry my 1. Then it's 1 plus 2 equals 3 plus 7 equals 10. Put my 0 down and my comma and carry my 1. Then 1 plus 2 equals 3, giving us a final answer of 3,036. Again, I'll show you on here where we added everything. We added our numbers together because it was 33, so we had the same answer for both digits, 276, except when you do the second 3, remember, you start in the tens. So this place you can fill in the 0 or you can leave it empty. Today I decided to leave it empty so y'all can see. So it's 6 plus 0 equals 6. 7 plus 6 equals 13. I put my I carried my 1. 1 plus 2 equals 3 plus 7 equals 10. I put my 0 down and left my comma, and I carried my 1. 1 plus 2 equals 3, giving us a final answer of 3,036. Then we have our final question from yesterday, which was 72 times 43. So again, I'm going to use orange, and I'm going to draw my dinosaur head around the digit in the ones place, place value, ones place, which in this case is the 3. So we're going to be multiplying 3 by 72. So here, we got 3 times 72. First step is to take 3 times 2, which equals 6. So your paper should look like that. 3 times 2 equals 6. Then you multiply the second digit, is 3 times 7, which equals 21. You put your 21 down, It's going to give you a first answer of 216. Now I'm drawing my second dinosaur head in green. So we have that. Step number 1 for the 4, which is in the tens place, is to take 4 times 2. We're taking 4 times 2, which equals 8. We're going to put our 8 down. Second step, to take 4 times 7, which gives us 28. 4 times 7 is 28. We're going to put our 8 down, or 28 down, and then we'll add. Then it's 6 plus 0 equals 6. 1 plus 8 equals 9. 2 plus 8 equals 10. We'll put our 0 down and my comma and carry the 1. 1 plus 2 equals 3, giving us an answer of 3,096. Now I'll show you my addition part right here, where we added. It's 6 plus 0 equals 6. Then it's 1 plus 8 equals 9. 2 plus 8 equals 10. You put your 0 down, you carry the 1. 1 plus 2 equals 3, giving you a final answer of 3,096. So for tomorrow, I want you to go ahead and try this next row of problems, which would be 35 times 69, 50 times 74, 33 times 65, and 73 times 44. I want you to try and attempt to do those problems for tomorrow, and I want you to leave your answers in the comments. Like I said, if you need help on your problems, leave me a message and I will get back to you. I'm hoping everybody's staying safe. You're watching the videos, you're sharing your videos. Just to let you know, this is Mr. Way. I miss you guys. Stay safe. If you have to go outside, cover your face. Make sure you wear your mask, and I will see you healthy and safe tomorrow.